won't give up. If there's an opening, I'm taking it.
Stepping up, throws on the run. It's caught. Kaliakmanis pulls it out. He pumps. He hurdles.
I didn't really believe necessarily that I could play at the college level.
Watch this ball location. Doesn't leave him a lot of room. Kaliakmanis just drops it in the mailbox. That is a big time play. Kaliakmanis stays in the traffic.
Brett talked about it earlier. Subtle movement and then in between three defenders.
Kaliakmanis has to get rid of it in a hurry. Down the far sideline, it's caught.
You know, the finger.
Ian Strong.
What a throw from Kaliakmanis and great concentration from Ian Strong.
You would have known it watching the play last year. The white man's definitely on now.
Here's a deep shot to KJ Duff.
Dodge this.
So you make sure they remember forever.
Here, Kaliakmanis, and he and KJ Duff are on one in this second half.
Chances are, got that mic. Lost it to the sideline. KJ Duff pulls it in for a Rutgers touchdown.
This is Sparta!
Hasta la vista,
Pressure.
baby.
And Ben Black makes the catch. Pressure. And they beat it. Ben Black into pieces. Kaliakmanis gets it out quick to Ben Black. And Ben Black continues.
Stayed earlier today. Kaliakmanis launches down the sideline to DT Sheffield. Kaliakmanis floats it down the sideline. He's got KJ Duff. Kaliakmanis loops it to the end zone. It's Ian Strong. Kaliakmanis stepping in there, connects with Sheffield.
Interesting matchup today. Two passes to start. Kaliakmanis.
Fake 23 blast with a backside George reverse like your life depended upon it. Let's go.
Kaliakmanis lobs it up.
Slot fade, one-on-one. That's man coverage essential.
Kaliakmanis to throw. He bangs it in there on the slant. First down and more. Kaliakmanis given time and he rushes one in for a first down.
Under pressure, eludes one. Rolling right, fires up. Kaliakmanis floats it down the sideline to his running back. Needs one right. Shakes away from two. Touchdown Rutgers.
He lets this one go. Another big play. Strong. Another quick drop. Another one to Strong. He's free to tackle.
He's going to keep it and throw, and it is caught. Man, with plenty of time, and DT Sheffield.
Points come out of it. Over the middle, the slant is on the field now. Over the middle, DT Sheffield in motion. Kaliakmanis looks to him. He's got open spots.
Between the two teams, Kaliakmanis floats it down the sideline. Catch! Touchdown! Kaliakmanis going Duff's way. Kaliakmanis going sideline. He's got a guy. What a throw, which means one-on-one for second. Here we go again. Deep ball looking for Duff, and it is caught.
Oh, what a catch by KJ Duff! Unbelievable catch. That might be the catch of the year in college football. Wow. Unbelievable.
Because I was inverted.
Duff, he went over 1,000 yards for the first time in his career.
Pressure. Kaliakmanis lets it fly down the sideline. Got a guy. Kaliakmanis to pass. Got rid of it. Kaliakmanis back to pass. Goes across the middle. Kaliakmanis pulls it out. He races to the end zone.
I come up and I'm ready to go. My words met my actions. I took that very seriously. I showed up every day. I never took a day off.
Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Get out.
All the other guys are doing it too. And that's what I'm so proud of this team is that we're working really hard.
Strong side!
Left side!
Strong side!
Left side!
Strong side!
Left side!
Strong side!
Left side!
something I worked on, this offseason was just fine-tuning the details, just the little things, footwork, moving in the pocket, accuracy, everything you essentially need to be a great quarterback. Just fine-tuning the details and drawing them over and over and over again.
What kind of power you got?
Oh, man, you know I got some soul power.
What kind of power you got?
What kind of question is that? I got soul power.
Yes, you do.
Coach Giano coached me a lot situationally. We talk a lot about situational football.
No, I don't want them to gain another yard.
You blitz all night. And if they cross the line of scrimmage, I'm going to take every last one of you out.
You make sure they remember forever the night they played the Titans.
He's a player's coach, and I love that. And that's why I love him. And that's why I love Coach Shiraka, because they coach you because they care. They care. And that's what matters to me.